Welcome. Let's go to the section. See also AI Rising is a English language Serbian science fiction film. You can see that also, and you will understand more. AI control problem in artificial intelligence AI philosophy. The AI control problem is the issue of how to build super intelligent agent that will aid its creators. Avoid advertently building a super intelligent that will harm the creator. Okay, and learn any intellectual task that being can. It is primarily goal of some artificial intelligence research and a common topic in science fiction and future studies. AGI can also be referred to as strong AI or general intelligent action. So these you have to like go and do the research on these things, so you'll understand AI from a deeper perspective. Okay, behavior selection algorithm, what it is. In artificial intelligence, a behavior selection algorithm or action selection algorithm is an algorithm that selects appropriate behavior or action for one or more intelligent agent. Okay, and in the game artificial intelligence is selects behaviors action for one or more player character. Common behavior selecting algorithm includes finite state machines, hierarchical finite state machines, decision trees, behavior trees, hierarchical task network, hierarchical control system, utility systems, a dialogue tree for selecting what to say. Okay, these are behavioral selection algorithms. This is how they behave. Business process automation. In business process automation, BPA, also known as business automation or digital transformation, is the technology enabled automation of complex business processes. It can streamline a business for simplicity, achieving digital transformation, increases service quality, improves service delivery, contains cost. It consists of integrating application, restructuring labor resources, and using software application throughout the organization. Robotic process automation is an emerging field within BPA. So this is one of the field, you can go and check it. Okay, and case-based reasoning. Case-based reasoning has been formalized for purpose of computer reasoning as a fourth step process. Retrieval, you need to like retrieval is gives target problem retrieving from memory cases relevant to solving it. A case consists of problem, its solution. Typically, auto annotations about how the solution was derived. For example, let's see the example how it works. Suppose Fred wants to prepare blueberry pancakes. Being a novice cook, the most relevant experience he can recall is one in which he successfully made pancakes. Okay, the procedure he followed for making pancakes, together with justification for decisions made along with the way constituting Federer's retrieval case. So this is how retrieval works. There's an example. Reuse. The map of solution for the previous case to the target problem. This may involve adopting the solution as needed to fit the new situation in the pancake. For example, Federer must adopts his retrieved solution to include the addition of blueberries. Okay, this is how he will reuse the information. Revise. Having mapped the previous solution to the target solution, test the new solution in the real world or a simulation, and if necessary, revive. Suppose Federer adopted the pancake solution by adding blueberries to the batter. After mixing, he discovered that the batter has turned blue and undesired effect. This suggests the following revision: delay in the addition of blueberries until after the batter has laid into pan. So this is how he will revise. He will change it. Okay, retain. After the solution has been successfully adopted to the target problem, store the resulting experience as a new case in memory. Frederick accordingly records of his new founded procedure for making blueberry pancake, therefore enriches his set of stored experience and better preparing him for future pancake making demand. So he retains this experience and then he uses. Similarly, like case based reasoning, when we do algorithm, we plan, we make any application. So when we follow this procedure in writing programs, so this is what happens: retrieval, reuse, revise and retain. So I would recommend you guys to subscribe the channel and write what have you learned in the comment section of YouTube channel, and suggest that how we can improve this channel more and more so that we can add value. Also give your inputs. You do also research on John McCarthy and other like whatever subjects we'll be going through, so that we will create a win-win and research-based channel. And kindly subscribe this channel. It is not going to be one-sided channel, but it will be both sides. You and we will be participating in this series of no artificial intelligence. So thank you so much.